Yo, what up, y'all? So today we are reviewing this edible drink, like potion slime punch, edible lime mixed drink. Look at this, y'all. So today we're just gonna be opening that. Hold on, if I just gotta open this real quick. Oh my goodness, a spoon. We got a big, heavy, very heavy a piece, and obviously we got one glove. And so, stir of drink punch, one cold. All right. All right, guys. Well. Alright, let's try this. Okay, so, now let's get started with this. Nice and carefully. How much cups did it have to put in again? This is going good. I added a couple water, like I said, cold water, because that's what it said. And I'm mixing it all together so it dissolves. It smells like Jello. Not gonna lie. Probably is. Is it? No, it's gonna be it. Okay. Now I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for at least like 1 hour before serving, which we're gonna drink it after that. I don't know why there's a hand in there. It's probably supposed to be in hand, but let's put it in the refrigerator. Now I'm letting that refrigerator in there for at least 1 hour. So by the time it's 6, we're going to drink it, and I'll see you by then. Guys, I did something very stupid. I meant the rubber glove was supposed to be in there, and I messed up, so let's do that again. Obviously, the glove was not meant for your hand. It was meant, so you guys gotta fill the glove up with water and put it inside. All like this, like you gotta put it inside. So let's do that. That's gonna be very cool. So I gotta wrap this band very tightly with a rubber band. I'm terribly bad at that tying, so I'll find a way to do it. I guess a hair bow will work, so I'm gonna taste that tight on there. I need help, because boom, got this thing tied, and let's put it in the freezer. Hi guys, it is currently the next day. Look, it is frozen. Frozen solid. Alright, now, and this was in the fridge. So now let's put it inside. Quick, might do it. No, quick. This. Now let's put this. And now we have it.